Morning everyone, how are you? It's my last day here in Disney World. I'm so sad. It's actually about 10 o'clock at night, so it's not even morning, and I'm about to pack. Oh my, and I'll do anything to put off packing. So, as my wonderful friend has been having my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes delivered to her, I thought we'd open them, so it'd make packing a lot easier if I didn't have boxes to pack. Imagine. So, without further ado, what I'm going to say is a Bibbidi Bobbidi boo. Did you notice? And I saw Johnny from the GaymeBoyz last night, and I said to him, you used a wand for your Wizard's Vault box, and that's no good because I got my Cinderella's Royal Table wishing wand to use with my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, and so I felt awful. So Johnny, full credit to you, but I had thought of this, as you know. So yeah, so if you've not checked them out, I'll put them down below in the description, but go and check them out, and I'll put his box, and they're wonderful, and they're wonderful people, and a wonderful channel, and go and check them out. But I've got my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, so I'm gonna put my glasses on. Now I'm a little bit behind because my friend's been having these delivered to her in Florida, and this is actually my June box. My July box is there, and so is my Wizard's Vault box. So you know what's coming the next couple of weeks, or this week, or whenever I put it up. So shall we open it? I'm really excited. I don't know what's in there. I have put some things on I'd love to receive, and I haven't bought them, and I fly home tomorrow night at 8:30, and we're actually going to Magic Kingdom. So I've been very good with what I bought. I'm still terrified about packing, but that's a whole different subject. So without further ado, this is the older box. They've updated the box so we can actually compare them and see how they look, the two boxes together. So yeah, so this is my original box, and I guess because for the July box it was a new box because they were a year old, they'd had their birthday. So let's open it. Oh, I've cut the sellotape. Now this one was still the box that wasn't being sent in any packaging, and so you can see you've got the marks on there. So that's why the girls have done it, so we keep our boxes pristine, which is a fabulous idea. But I won't be keeping this box because I can't get it in my luggage because I'm so overpacked anyway. Well, I will be when I pack. But shall we open it? Oh, I'm putting it off. Can you tell? I hate opening it because then the magic is over. Right, let's open it. I've pre-cut it. So you can tell it's an older box because I've got on here, you see the March hare? And it's got a very merry unboxed day to you. And it's got all the tinsel on. Look, so there you go. So we got that in the box. So this is June's box, and I'm so sorry it's late. And we've and we've got the three Caballeros. I don't know, but I went on a tour of Epcot with the Disney sisters while I was here, and we learned the story about the three Caballeros. And basically Donald's from America, and then one of the other two is from Brazil and one's from Mexico. And the reason being is Walt was asked to go down and do some charity work in, I think it was South America, to try and promote unity. Is that the right word? Promote unity. And he didn't want to do it until they said he could make a movie. And the reason he chose these three characters, one from America, one from Brazil, and one from Mexico, is because if there's only two and one leaves, it's not the same. They need each other. And I think that's beautiful, isn't it? So we all need each other. And I thought that was a lovely, 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 lovely piece of information. I'm so excited. my knees were just shaking. You know when you knock them together? Can you see I'm doing it? I have got the note that says, by selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same. So it means I've got fewer items, same value box, fewer items. So I wonder what it could be. Could it be a backpack? Could it be a spirit jersey? I don't know. It's feeling a bit, I don't know. Right, so let's break the seal. It's one of the items, so it is. So excited. Right, if I go in and out of focus, I'm so sorry. I'm in my hotel room and I don't have any lights. And I haven't got a table in front of me. I've got a chair by the side of it. Oh, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled, thrilled, thrilled. How wonderful. How super wonderful. Oh, look. Right. Ooh, I'm just getting all the fusels. Can you hear the sound of a bag? Yay! Yay! Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. You ready? You ready? You ready? Let me. That's that song again, isn't it? Are you ready for this? Do, 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 do. I'm just puffing it up a bit because it's got a bit flat in the box. You ready? I have got, I forget, is this Imagination Pink? I think it is. I've got the backpack, and when this came out, I so desperately wanted it, but it's expensive. This is $90 and it's a Disney Parks exclusive, and I bought the ears but I couldn't bring myself to buy the backpack, so I'm absolutely thrilled with that. I'm thrilled. So now I've got the ears and the backpack, and that was one of the items that I put on my preferences list that I would love to receive. So right, so that's that. So is there anything else in my box? Woohoo! Oh, okay, we got 3 more things. Crikey, that's a lot. So I've got some Make It Pink, Make It Blue Sleeping Beauty fairy socks. Aren't they lovely? They're lovely. I've got a pair of these already, but I've never got enough socks, and all my socks, I've got really boring socks. I've got like grey ones and black ones, and I've not got many fun ones. I went through a stage of just wanting black and grey, and maybe that was my gothic moment. Or maybe I just lost the plot. But anyway, I like colourful ones now. So what else have I got in here? Okay. Ooh, I've got things in here. Right, I have got a, I'm going to take my hearse to the Old Town Road, which is the mashup. It's the badge of the hearse and the Haunted Mansion. Isn't that fantastic? So yeah, we call them badges in England. You call them buttons, but we actually call them badges. So I've got that. And then I've also got an LE pin. And I've got an up pin. Now I do have this. So this will be a fabulous trader. But it's Kevin and Russell. Look, and she rocks. Isn't it? I just think this pin is beautiful. So, and the back of card with the house with the balloons. I absolutely love this pin. And up is my main collection, and I love it. So yeah, that's wonderful. Then I think this is a sparkle box. Right, so let's put these bits back inside, and we're going to open. Let's see the tissue, which is great because it means everything can go in one box. I really love that. Right, so what have I got? Okay, I have got, now I haven't got my book with me, so I won't know who they all are. Jessie, who is it? Who is the seal that Jessie loves from the California park? it Harold? Why have I got the name Harold in my mind? But anyway, there you go. I've forgotten his name. What's his name? You'll have to tell me down below, but isn't that fabulous? Then I've got another one, and that's a magnet. I've then got the electric fly. Is he out of Pigments? Do you know, I'm not doing very well, and I haven't got my book with me either, have I? So I've got him. We've then got, we've got Bambi and Thumper. Look at that, that's a sticker. Oh, isn't that pretty? We've got Sleeping Beauty and her Prince Charming. Look at these, aren't they lovely? And then this one, with what I've just told you, this one's going on my map book because, yeah, it represents this trip, doesn't it? And it is the 3 Caballeros. I think that's wonderful. And that's my sparkle box. Right then, so let's have a look at the invoice. Where have I put it? I don't know where I put it. You have to put it under the chair. Yes, there it is. Right, so then. Packing slip enclosed. So, first of all was the sequin mini backpack, Imagination Pink, and that was $90. I've got the authentic LE trading pin, Kevin and Russell, which was $17.99. I've got the Disney Parks exclusive socks, Make It Pink, Make It Blue, $14.99. And I've got the Park Bound button, the Old Town Road, which is $4. So that was a total retail value of $126.98, and I paid $119. So great value. Got all your value for your money, haven't you? And I think that's wonderful, and I just love them. And I just love my bag. I just love my bag. I mean, look at it. It's pink. It's got all the lovely hardware. It's all silver. You've got the silver stripe, and that matches my pink Spirit jersey because it's pink with the silver stripes down the arms. It's got the mini ears, and but on the back you've got the metallic pink and the bottom, and it's not going to catch my clothes because there's no sequins on the back. Love it. Absolutely love it. Hope you enjoyed that. I know we're in different surroundings. I've not got a lot going on. Forgive me for that. Forgive me for that. But thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then you'll know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you like to watch it, then you've got the choice, haven't you? But be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.